Hi friends, welcome back! It's Cocomelon! Today we're going to learn our colors using Play-Doh molds. Let's do it! Our first mold is purple. Can you say purple? Good job! Take out the purple Play-Doh and roll it. Now let's flatten it out using our roller. Let's stamp our purple Play-Doh and make a Cocomelon mold. Here it is, boys and girls, purple Cocomelon. We will make our second mold using the color orange. Take out the Play-Doh and roll it. Flatten it out and stamp. Our second mold is an orange Cocomelon. For our third mold, we'll be using the color blue. Can you say blue? Awesome! Here we go. Let's roll it again and flatten it out. And stamp. Yay! We did it! A blue Cocomelon! Boys and girls, do you know what color this is? It's the color green! Roll the color green and flatten it out. Yay! Now we have a green Cocomelon. Green. Now let's use the color yellow. Take it out. Good job, boys and girls! We just made a yellow Cocomelon! Lastly, we're going to use the color pink. We need to roll it very well so that we can make a great pink mold. Here we go! We did it! Together we made a pink Cocomelon! Yay! We worked very hard learning our colors with Play-Doh today. Good job, my friends! Now let's review our colors together. Here we go. Purple, orange, blue, yellow, pink, and green. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.